I keep having to run because there's people out here throwing like spiraling fire.
Bro!
Hey y'all, so right now is 12:40 p.m. Tuesday, July 4th. This 4th of July finna be crazy, man. Like, I'm scared to go outside later because y'all already know I'm gonna film the fireworks and all the chaos going around. So most of you may know, on 4th of July in the hood, people go in. Like, when I say people go in, people go in and they go off with the fireworks. Like, every year it's just been crazier and crazier and crazier. Like, it's been fires, it's been times where I've had to call the police department, it's been times where other people have had to call the police department. I've called the police department multiple times. Y'all, it's bad. Y'all, I'm scared because, you know, last night and this morning they've been popping these like big fireworks I've never heard before. I've heard some big fireworks before, but never like this. These sound like actual bombs. Y'all, I really think they be over there mixing powders and twisting stuff up and creating new stuff, because I have never heard of fireworks this loud, never in my life. And I'm inside, so imagine what your ears hear when you out there. When you set a firework off, a couple of car alarms might go off. The whole block was going off. You heard everybody's horn. Like, I think last year we saw this crazy like drone firework that was like doo 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 doo. I'm gonna go outside later so I can show y'all and we can see and experience this together. The only thing I don't really like is how loud it is. Like, I can literally be standing 2 feet or 1 foot away from someone and the fireworks are so loud you can't even hear them. Like, you literally gotta yell in their ear to hear what they're saying. If you live in the hood, you don't gotta drive to no fireworks show. You don't gotta go travel nowhere. You can stay right where you are and get the fireworks show of your life. Y'all better get ready, cause it's gonna go down tonight. It's going down. Fireworks gonna be popping off like crazy. Y'all, I'm trying to iron this shirt for tomorrow for work and it's like hurting me. Just a whole bunch of this. I hope your eyeballs feeling what I'm feeling, because this is what it's messing with my head, y'all, trying to iron this shirt. Y'all, I'm finna go outside with my brother and we finna see all the craziness going on. Can y'all hear it? I just want to go outside and see what's going on. I gotta wait. I gotta be patient.
It's funny because it looked like you were recording the ambulance fire truck. You gonna put this on the vlog?
The what? God, bro's tying fireworks together.
Seen a video of a guy in Chicago.
What does a Roman candle look like?
One that you hold.
Oh, that is shoot
And he shot out like that. Well,
out his hand.
yes, it was crazy.
I don't even. Oh my God, I'm missing the shot because I can't see where it goes.
All of the dot, the orange dot.
I love that kid.
There go another one.
Ooh, popping up right by their house. Ooh, oh my God, close. Why is bro jumping in it?
crazy. Look at that back here.
Those are cheek slaps.
What?
Cheek slaps. That's what it sounds like. I keep having to run because there's people out here throwing like spiraling fireworks, and then when the firework hit the ground, it go in every which direction.
Oh my god.
So stupid, bro.
Bro!
Bro, what is wrong with these dudes? Woo! That popped under the car. Woo! My god. Oh my god. This is ghetto. On fire under the BMW. Woo! They just did a 3 for. Bro. I'm so focused on running, I can't even film. This is crazy, bro.